So today the video is going to be about how to achieve your goals and what is the steps and the tools you can use to keep on track of your goals and actually making work. So I'm going to show some techniques that will help you guys achieve the goals for 2018. We all need goals for our channels, for your blogs, for your business, right? And this is the one thing that I have established for my YouTube channel. This is my goal for this year, and I wanted to put more effort. I wanted to put more consistent. My goal is to work on my strategies, branding, content, to have scripts and be straight on the topic. So, and I'm practicing that, and I think that I have improved so much from my first video to today. So, and this is when we feel like it's working. It feels like, oh, good, this is actually improving. One thing that I definitely recommend is to don't make your goals a punishment. Don't make your goals an obligation. Don't make your goals as an option. Make your goals as something that you need to achieve in a short period. Maybe you can check small goals, weekly basis, monthly basis, or you can do every 2 months, every quarter. If you start writing off and put a due date on those goals, will make it easy for you to establish some limitations that will not drive you crazy. Oh, I want all this bunch of things, but I'm not accomplishing any. Making goals is fun because it makes you motivated to go afterwards. And writing a goal is pretty much putting yourself first. You need to do things in order to this goal happen. What the things you could do to contribute it to this goal? What is the intentions that you can run throughout this goal? If, for instance, you're going to start a new business, what the kind of business you want to start, and what the things you needed to start this business, what are the first steps you need to make it. So kind of like start making a page for each goal and kind of work throughout that, and pick one goal at a time. Don't rush. You don't have to have a million goals achieved in a year. I don't think it's a demanding. I think it's more something to make you more motivated, make you more with the sense of accomplished and fulfilled in the end of all this. So definitely make the right moves in the right time, and don't make this harder on you. Make actually achievable through the process of the time frame you were choosing. Creating a vision board. And it's so easy creating a vision board. You can just take picture frame, can be like this size here that's behind me, or any sizes that is behind me right there, and you can just buy the paper that is a cork paper, or you can get one of those here that I have in the back, and then you stick pictures that actually inspires you to achieve things. Maybe you want to set up an office, maybe you want to achieve a course plan that you wanted to do, maybe you wanted to move to a new place, you dream about a certain house. I think that's a possibility for us to give us a sense of positiveness and gives us a sense of motivation. So a dream board actually, I had many dream boards, but I'll tell you, not all dream boards I achieve everything, but I achieve some of the things that I appreciate. So having a dream board actually keep you on the track of becoming positive with your goals. Maybe you will achieve certain things that you have stick there, but not all of them, but at least it helps you. It's so amazing. Wake up every day in the morning and read a statement that keep you positive and see the things you really want to achieve. It's kind of like telling the universe you're open for those things. Also, one thing that I do a lot for my business, for my channel, for my daily basis, is having a planner. And for me, having a planner is a #1 thing. It keeps me on track. I write down everything, my goals. And this year I really wanted to focus more on my brand content strategies and kind of practice more scripts, how I can work on scripts too, because it's something that I have never used in the past, and something that I definitely is a main goal I want to use for the rest of the year so I can get better and better and better. So definitely having a planner is a #1 thing you should choose, so you can keep track, motivated, and inspired to keep always doing better. Ask for feedback if you want to, so you can kind of explore more ideas, which is definitely asking other people for help is not a bad thing, and also helps you brainstorm more things to do and give you more options. So definitely is something that I recommended. Be specific, and prioritizing your things is essential. So be specific on the goals you want. I wanted to being fit is super broad, because I don't know what you like to do in terms of getting fit, but if you want to be fit, what are the things you can do to being fit? Maybe you want to do more walks daily. Maybe you want to ride your bike every day for 20 minutes. Maybe you want to do some yoga sessions in your house for 20 minutes every day. Or maybe you want to do a 30 days challenge or workout. Starting with the small things that motivate you. Make it simple. Prioritize, you know, what things should be coming first or not, and something that will not affecting you in a whole lot of ways. A lot of people sometimes make some goals that are extremely exaggerated, that they end up spending too much money, they end up having financial crisis. It's not the point of making a goal. The making a goal is to making achievable for you, to make essential for you, like that, something that you can handle, something that you can do yourself, and that is not gonna hurt you, but especially is gonna actually make you feel more positive, empowered, and happy. And kind of check mark that, you know, every time you can, because then you put a lot of effort, even though you're not gonna get, is nothing happens, you know, like miraculously, and nothing is gonna happen today for tomorrow. It's everything has time, everything has effort, everything has your speed and process. So just take one day at a time, but be prepared to plan for some changes. Like, don't do all at once, just take one at a time, and if it doesn't work, move to the next, and move to the next, and move to the next. But definitely a lot of things that we might not be doing right? And I will tell this, achieving our goals is mostly take practice and consistent. Show up, you know, and showing up, it makes you actually be there in progressing, going through the progress stage from doing nothing to actually going forward, moving forward. You don't have to show results instantaneously, you just have to build that time and make sure that starting from somewhere is just the beginning you needed to get where you want it to be. And if you're actually doing everything right, you following your plans, your goals, and you keep on track, reward yourself. You know, why not? Give you small rewards. Of course, don't break your bank, or don't go buy things that is expensive if you cannot afford. Rewarding yourself every time you achieve something, it helps you to keep going, and it gives you more ability to create more goals and keep on going, right? Question of the day. So what are your goals, and what is the one number goal that you wanted to achieve this year of 2018 that you love to share? I appreciate if you post this on my comments here below the video. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe for some vibes, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.